Today we are going to remove feces stains from your clothes. Join me. The items you will need are hydrogen peroxide, baking soda, and powdered laundry detergent with washing soda in it. Maybe you're not sure if your powdered laundry detergent has washing soda in it. If not, down in the description of this video, I will include my homemade recipe for powdered laundry detergent. Maybe you don't have all the stuff that you need to make powdered laundry detergent from my recipe and you need to remove the feces stain now. What you can do is take 1 cup of your powdered laundry detergent and mix it with a half a cup of baking soda. That will work almost just as well whenever you're in a pinch. To get started, ensure that there is no excess feces on the garment. Rinse the stain with cold water. Fill your sink with hot water, as hot as your garment can stand. Add 1 cup hydrogen peroxide and 1 cup of baking soda. Agitate your garment as much as possible while in the water to dislodge the stain and then let it sit overnight. In the morning when you get up, if the stain is gone, go ahead and launder your garment with your powdered washing detergent in your washing machine. If the stain is not gone, simply repeat the steps above until it is. Please share this video with your friends, subscribe to my channel for daily DIY organization and cleaning videos, and also give this video a thumbs up. Please let me know that you liked it. Thank you, and I will see you next time.